How to join someone on Roblox without being friends with them. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll provide a detailed step-by-step guide on how to join someone on Roblox without having to be their friend at first. First and foremost, launch the Roblox application and head over to the friend segment. From there, you have the option to either search for the specific individual you want to join or pursue through your current friend list. Once you have identified the person, go into their profile and opt to view it. Once the profile has fully loaded, find and tap on the three dots located at the upper right corner of the screen, and subsequently select the follow button to commence following that individual. If your follow request is accepted by the person, you can then proceed to join their game, without the necessity of being friends with them. This particular approach enables you to engage with others on Roblox without the formal requirements of the friendship status. So this was all about how to join someone on Roblox without being friends with them. If you found this video to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.